Oyota Yaris New Face Japan 2026 Black Edition, brand new safety package, exchange considered, 10,990,000 rupees. Please call 0772220220. Warranty, engine and gearbox, 2 years, conditions apply. Fully loaded, highest possible spec, original factory audio system with 360 degrees 4-way cameras, RPM meter, traction control, Xenon scoop lamps, multifunctional steering, original floor mats and door visors, winker mirrors, rear wiper, 1,000 cubic centimeters, 0 mileage, and many more. Leasing/bank loan facilities can be arranged for a flexible rate. Please subscribe Anchorage Elk.